All right, if you're having a problem transferring your files from a Samsung Galaxy to your Windows computer and it mentions something about a USB every time you plug it in. So for example, I have this connected to my desktop, or you might have yours connected to a laptop. So basically, if you unplug it and then if you plug it back in, it's going to say something about a USB, tap USB, and you're like, and then you go up here to the computer and then you go under where it would have it and it says files empty. No folder is, this folder is empty. Only thing you have to do, of course, is make sure that the phone is on, the Samsung Galaxy, and that it's unswiped or the password. And on the very top, don't just barely, to get to your notifications, just barely go down from the top like this. And then from here, what you want to do is it'll say USB for charging phone. Click it. And then what you want to do is allow it, so it's right now charge only, and then go ahead and click this, and you'll find that if you do that, and then of course you enter your password, which we'll do here in a second. I'm entering my password now. Done. And now if we go back to that folder, you'll see that you'll be able to now download photos and videos and files from your phone to your Windows computer. All right, thanks for watching.